Over a year ago, the heads of Ford and Southern California Edison announced the beginning of a collaborative and non-exclusive project to evaluate and demonstrate PHEV technology. EPRI was shortly thereafter added as a partner to the team. And the goal of this project was the delivery of a 20-vehicle demonstration fleet as the initial step towards a full production initiative at Ford Motor Company for plug-in vehicles. We saw this as a holistic view in approaching the plug-in automobile. The collaboration was intended and is intended to examine future PHEVs as part of a complete vehicle, home, and grid energy system, understanding the total value proposition, and explore new solutions for our customers' growing need for energy conservation. We established a primary project objective and fundamental project work streams about a year ago, in August of 2007, when we kicked off this project. And the overall objective was to progress the development and delivery of PHEV grid solutions, including the development of a sustainable PHEV business case. And so we've had a technical work stream aimed at engineering the vehicles and engineering the interconnection, if you will, between the vehicle, the grid, and the customer, and the home of the future. We've also, though, had a business work stream looking at how we establish a viable proposition, value proposition for the customer, and how do we achieve win-win solutions for all of the key stakeholders involved. And then finally, policy. What government policies need to be in place in order to move the market forward? Those are all parts of what we've been working on. The Escape plug-in hybrid vehicle, which is one of them, the one that SC's been running on the road now for several months, is in the exhibition hall. It's based on our current Escape hybrid. And so what we've done is we've taken today's Escape hybrid, removed the 2 kilowatt-hour nickel metal hydride battery pack, replaced it with a 10 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion pack. We've integrated a charger into the vehicle as well as controls, and re-engineered the vehicle to ensure that crash safety is maintained, that motor transaxle robustness is maintained, and that ride and customer attributes are preserved. The vehicle is performing quite well. We have a total of 10 being produced this year, 10 more next year. The data from the vehicle so far suggests that in city driving, when we're in battery depletion mode, we're getting up to 120 miles per gallon in fuel economy. On the expressway, again, while in that battery depletion mode, we're seeing fuel economies in the range of 70 to 80 miles per gallon. After we have depleted the battery, we reach a set state of charge point. The vehicle then acts like a charge sustaining HEV and gets in excess on average of 40 miles per gallon fuel economy. And so we're very encouraged with the initial results we're seeing from the vehicle and expect to make continued progress. It's about more than just the battery. It's about designing and developing the vehicle and the battery system to integrate as a total system. So you have to be worried about things like crash safety. You have to be worried about overall load management, controls, emissions. You need to make sure that you're not doing more harm with the plug-in than good by virtue of the fact that the catalyst is cool. Maintaining internal climate comfort, another key initiative that we're working on with this vehicle, as well as ensuring that the technology is robust and ready to move forward into production. One of the questions I get quite often from those outside of the industry is, how long is it going to take to get a vehicle into production, and what's taking so long? You've already got prototypes running out on the road today. Why can't you just duplicate them and get them out quickly? And the answer here actually applies not only to the OEMs, but to our suppliers. And it's an issue that I would characterize as due diligence systems engineering. We need to design these vehicles to ensure that from an occupant standpoint and an emergency responder standpoint, they are safe. And so there's a tremendous amount of work that has to be done in design FMEAs, testing, validation, and certification to ensure that the vehicle that we put our loved ones in, your loved ones in, is entirely safe. From a reliability and durability standpoint, at the component level, system level, and vehicle level, we need to ensure that they meet our customers' expectations for a robust, reliable vehicle. Fuel economy and emissions need to be certified. There's an awful lot of work that goes on with that. Managing the cost of the vehicle at the component level, at the life cycle level, and beyond. Those are challenges that are part of the design process that need careful attention and trade-off. Design and execution for high-volume manufacturing, setting up the manufacturing processes and tooling investments, not only for the vehicle, but for the battery systems, for the cells, and for all the other hardware, is another key initiative. The human-machine interface. How will people interact with this vehicle? And it's more than simply plugging it in, much more. And as you get into that, you find that there are some significant design implications to the vehicle that need to be thoroughly studied. Again, this vehicle, like any other vehicle, has to be a no-compromise vehicle that meets and satisfies the customer, meets their expectations. Serviceability. We're not going to make 10, 20, 30 of these vehicles. We're going to make hundreds of thousands. And they're going to need to be serviced throughout the country. That means diagnostics, special tools, processes that need to be designed and rolled out nationwide. And then, as I said earlier, engineering the vehicle and the battery system and the charger and everything else to be compatible with a consumer-driven value proposition is critical.